Good Sunday evening. We got the Traditions Hawken Woodsman 50 caliber Flintlock. This was built from a kit some years ago. All of the wood just needed sanding and a little bit of inletting, and was finished with linseed oil. The steel, the barrel, and I think that was the only parts that needed finishing. It was just done with a browning solution. Sights are modern, more modern than a traditional flintlock. They're adjustable for elevation and windage. Front sight is adjustable simply by drifting it. But this one has been in the safe for a few years, and I just got it out this summer to do some test firing with it. Shot it at 4th of July, just a powder charge to get some sparks and a little color. Today, took it out to the range and I'm getting ready to clean it. Shot the Hornady 240 grain conical projectiles. They work well. Don't have any issues with them. Been shooting Traditions guns for a long time now. Been fairly pleased with them. They seem to be a good option. The price has increased exponentially over the years. From, I think the first one I got, I paid about $189 for it. I don't remember what this kit was, but it was substantially more. But they are a good gun. I've taken them hunting for quite a while and had a lot of success with them, especially if you like traditional guns. It's kind of a good way to start with them. To carry the various tools needed, I found this M14 magazine pouch. And I've had this one since I was a kid. Bought it at a gun show, I believe, when I was 8 years old, where they had some people dealing in surplus. But it holds about everything I need. The only thing, I can't hold a lot of projectiles in there, but really, you're not talking about a fast-firing gun when you're out hunting anyway. And 2 or 3 are usually fit the bill. So I carry it's a CVA modern powder flask, projectile starter, percussion caps. Those are for when I take out the cap lock guns, powder measure, a couple of speed loaders, priming flask. I just wear that around my neck because it's easier when it's around the neck because the cord is tied that I can get to the pan. Just hit it a couple times to put whatever powder load I need in there, or priming load. Gun does have set triggers, half cock, or you can use the front trigger. It just has a little bit longer pull. So I was shooting today, and I'm swabbing the barrel between about every 2 shots, and I'm going to get some soap and water together, clean it up, use that and a little bit of ballistol, and then hopefully in November we'll see how it works in the field. Thank you for watching. If you like what we're doing, consider giving us a subscribe and a thumbs up.